On your marks, get set, go.
This is the Five Lamps, which is handy because it's at the junction of 5 streets. The areas around the Five Lamps are so chock-a-block full of history and stories, it doesn't matter which one you go down. Go on, pick one. Seville Place, fair enough. This is 100 Seville Place, the original home of the Lawrence Hotel Club and Pipe Band. Also a safe house for Tipperary players after Bloody Sunday. Also a meeting place for members of the 2nd Battalion of the Dublin Brigade during the War of Independence. And that's not even the half of it. But our tour today is the Amiens Street way. This is Cleary's Pub, one of the best pubs in Dublin. Famous for being a Michael Collins safe house, and it hasn't paid an ESB bill since 1891. This is Connolly Station, opened in 1844, which kind of makes sense, because when you listen to the song, Paddy worked on the railway all through the 1840s. This is the Universal Links on Human Rights sculpture by Tony O'Malley. It's a sculpture that represents jails holding prisoners of conscience all over the world. This is the face of a teenage mother. No, seriously, this is Erin helping up a dying Republican soldier. She is the main sculpture in the memorial gardens of the Customs House. The garden commemorates the men who tried to burn down the Customs House in 1921. This is the Customs House, a building full of meanings and contradictions. You'll never guess who's getting chased out of Ireland in this sculpture. This is the Famine Memorial. Fair play, Canada. This is the Poverty Stone. Strange location for a Poverty Stone, because if I was to do a 360, you couldn't count the amount of banks I could hit with a stone. Not to mention how many I'd hit if I had a gap. This is the Sean O'Casey Bridge. A wise fella who should be listened to more. This is the Samuel Beckett Bridge. Usually it's lit up as a giant tarp. Maybe they need to talk to Cleary's Pub. This is a giant marble sculpture of Luke Kelly's head. I love him.